I'm Sid Marshall with Sushi Siddo Catering. Today we're at the kitchen of Cork and Platter, and this is how to make a garden pasta salad. First thing we need to do is make our pasta. There's a couple of tricks to making really good pasta. First, you want to put on a pot of water, generally about 4 quarts per pound of pasta. Usually a pound of pasta will make about 8 servings for a pasta salad. One of the big keys for making really good pasta is lots of salt in the water. We'll start by adding our salt, and then we will take and add a little oil. And once that comes to a boil, generally, fresh pasta cooks in 3 to 5 minutes. Dry pasta takes anywhere from 9 to 14 minutes. Just check your instructions on your package. Take out a piece of pasta and just try it. You want to get it al dente. You want it to be just soft and not too firm. Once your pasta is cooked, the easiest way to cool it is to throw it onto a baking sheet with a little oil and put it in the refrigerator and let it cool. This will help it cool quicker. So now that we have our cooked pasta, we're going to put our penne into the bowl. And for a garden pasta salad, you can pretty much add whatever you want to add. These are some ingredients I picked up at the local farmer's market. First, we're going to do just a little bit of chopped red onion, a little chopped zucchini, a few pieces of diced red pepper, some steamed broccoli. I went ahead and blanched this really quick and cooked it and then cooled it before chopping it up and adding it. Do a little pinch of some green onion, a few black olives, take a little salt, sprinkle, a little black pepper, and then we're just going to add a little bit of mayonnaise, about a half a cup. This will make about 4 servings of pasta salad. Stir it up really well, mix it. And then take a plate, put on a little bit of our fresh mixed greens, spread those out. Layer some of the pasta salad on top of your greens. Nice little pile there. And we're going to finish it off with just a little sprinkling of some feta cheese. And there you have it, a really nice, fresh garden pasta salad.